Now I want to know the number of A's that are present here. So for that you say equal to, and then you say COUNTIF, open the parenthesis. I want the number of A's here. So press Control Shift and downward arrow, and then you enter, or I would say you freeze the data. For that you press F4, and then you place a comma, you open a double quote, and then you say equal to A, and then you close the parenthesis. So that's a formula, because you are checking for A over here in this particular column. Now when it comes to B, you will be utilizing the same column. So column should not be altered. So that's the reason I'm freezing the data using absolute cell referencing. Now clearly I can see a A here, a A over there. So 2 A's should be the answer. Now you might be wondering why I not manually enter 2. But apparently the problem is whenever we are encountering data, they are not going to be giving just a data which has got 18 rows. Usually it will be minimum 2000 or 5000. Or it can even scale up to 10,000 rows, right? Because you are performing data analysis for an organization, and that is not going to be a lesser task. So have that in mind. That's the reason we are learning these methods and functions, so that we can speed up the operation with efficiency. So click enter, and as I mentioned to you, you're getting 2 there. Now you go up to count B, use the function COUNTIF, and go up, select the column, the cell, press Control Shift downward arrow, enter F4, place a comma, now open a double quote, place equal to, capital B, close it, and close the parenthesis, click enter, you get 2 B's. Are there 2 B's? 1 and 2. Yes, the formula works. Now go to C, say COUNTIF, and then you highlight, or go to the cell, press Control Shift downward arrow, press F4, and then place a comma, open a double quote, plus equal to C. Make sure you need to press, or you need to enter that equal to C, and then you close the parenthesis, and then you click enter. So you get 2 C's. Are there 2 C's? One C is over here, and the next one is over here. Good. So finally for D, COUNTIF, and then select the cell, press Control Shift downward arrow, press the F4 key, place a comma, and then equal to D. You need to enter the same D there, and press enter, you get 2 D. So that is fair enough. Now you can highlight these things, and then you can center them. You can fill them up with that color. You can also do the same thing, center them, bold them, and you can give the border. So that is fine.